Adequate? I'm okay. You just really make me want to take photos of you.
I'm like a white girl right now. Hey, Dom. Hey, Ethan. I like her. Hey. I look like I'm an alien, huh? Hey, I'm good. Head of household, sounds good. Yeah, I want to be your friend. Ethan, for sure. Thanks. That looks so real right now. This is crazy. So, today is cool because the game is on. And I want the Warriors to win, even though I love LeBron. I mean, I'm wearing some Lululemon. It's nothing big. Hi, Foreign. No, I don't. So I'm excited because I like LeBron, but I like Steven as well. Steph Curry. Stephen. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. And then tomorrow is the big game. Hopefully, tomorrow we'll win and go to the Super Bowl. I'm so excited. I like his shoes, but I like him as a player. And maybe he will come to the Bay. That would be nice, but probably not. I think he wants to retire as in the Lakers, so probably not. I had so much fun last night. So much fun. Scooby was good. I had so much fun last night. I wish I could tell you guys what I've been up to, but I can't. But I've been up to no good. Yeah.
Well, I mean, you live in California.
So, checking in with y'all. What's up, Jay? What's up, Jay?
It's hard to work in it.
What's up,
so
Jay?
And then
what's up, Rob? It's good. I look like a little white girl right now. All this blonde wig.
We're just probably
Hey, D.
probably 10 degrees.
I have been out there hurting people. I've been out here hurting people, Dom. You know. I love you too, Anthony. I found my favorite place to go to be the person that I love, and I'm glad I can tell you guys, and you guys won't judge me because y'all know I'm aggressive and abusive. So just want to let y'all know. I did use my whip. It's called a bull whip, and it leaves marks. Absolutely love that side of me, and I just wanted to let you guys know. Dom knows about that. And there's a really cool place here that I can go and use all of my abusive tools and chains. I love it.
No, I mean, I like traveling, but
yeah.
For me, if I'm going to enjoy traveling, I need about a week and a half.
So, I can't be on here all night because I have to pay attention. I'm busy. There's somebody I want to see. I see somebody. I don't remember. What's good? Yeah, you know what, Dom? We gotta hook up because I think you would like to go to this place that I went to last night. It was so fun. Yeah, but I'm the only one in here on my live, and that's super uncouth, so I need to get off of here. But I love you guys so much. Yes.